it was definitely worth it. If I had to do it over again, I'd do it like 100 times over again.
What do you think of your hairline?
I'm really happy. It's only been 6 months. Like, they talk about like hair transplants. The results take up to a year, but it's basically the halfway mark, and I've been really happy.
So this is Matthew. He had a Norwood 3 presenting pattern 6 months ago, and we did an FUE, follicular unit excision, at that time with 2,500 grafts. So I'm going to present his pre-op photographs. You can see here that he had a Norwood 3 pattern with bitemporal recession both here and here. So I'm going to show you what he looks like today. So this is after 6 months. And turn to your right. Hold it.
Bring it up.
You can see it's a good density, very natural hairline, lots of hair. And same for this side, high density and a very natural hairline. This is the transplanted hair, the natural hair. Transplanted hair, can't see the difference. Chin down, please. And it's a very good blend with the natural hair in the back. Chin up again, please. Turn to your left. Again, just want you to concentrate on this. You're right. So what do you think?
I'm really happy. It was a great investment for me. I know before my surgery, like I was really self-conscious about my hair. Like I would spend like 20 minutes before work every day trying to comb it, make sure I cover all the bald spots. It just wasn't worth it for me. So a part of like the whole cosmetic thing, I feel a lot more comfortable in my own skin. I don't have as much anxiety when like talking to people. I feel more comfortable. It's helped me like day to day, just like be more outgoing, be more sociable with people. I don't feel like I feel like myself now. So I feel comfortable in my own skin. I feel I can go about and do my day-to-day stuff without being self-conscious. So it was definitely worth it. If I had to do it over again, I'd do it like 100 times over again.
What do you think of your hairline?
I'm really happy. It's only been 6 months. Like they talk about like hair transplants. The results take up to a year, but it's basically the halfway mark, and I've been really happy. I'm really satisfied.
Density?
Yeah, it's come out. And of course, like initially there was some shedding after the hair transplant. So like about a month after, I started seeing some shedding, and I started seeing like hairs starting to grow back. Around the 4-month mark, I would say, is when I started seeing the hairs come back out after they shed. And over the past 2 months, I've noticed the growth. It seems like it's getting better every single week.
What's your advice to anyone who's thinking of doing a hair transplant?
If you're on the fence about it and you're not 100% sure, even if you're 10%, there's a 10% chance you want to do it, just go ahead and do it. You'll be thankful later. It's definitely the worth it investment. You'll feel comfortable in your own skin. You'll feel more comfortable day to day. You just go ahead and do it. Don't think twice about it. I know there's hesitations, the surgery is long, but it's comfortably, they treat you well here. It's really not that bad. Just do it.